In this video, I will show you how to create a Roblox account in mobile. To do this, first simply go and download the Roblox app on your phone, and from there go and open it up. Now here, if it's your first time opening Roblox, you will see this. From here, just go and click on Create Account, and then they will have a few questions. So first, your birthday, simply going to enter the year, month and date, and then click Confirm Birthday. From there, enter your username, and for this you should not use your real name, so just enter a made-up username. Then you can add your gender, but you don't have to. From there, just click Continue. Then they will ask if you want to use Face ID in order to sign in. And from there, it will already redirect you to Roblox, where you can then start playing and adding friends and everything else that you may want to do. So that's all you need to do to create a Roblox account in mobile. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.